Are you concerned about lead in your baby food? There's a simple solution. Make your own. It's easy. Here's 3 simple steps to make your own baby food, so you don't need to worry about there being lead in it. Step 1. Get fresh, organic produce. Things that you would want to eat. Step 2. Clean and prepare the vegetables how you would want to eat them. Step 3. Puree your prepared ingredients. Oh, come on, this is much tastier than did. And bonus, you can add delicious extra ingredients that store-bought food isn't going to have, like Kismet Refining all-natural vinegar. Bonus tip, once you've made some really amazing baby food, freeze it and you have it for meals to come. Look, a couple easy steps to make your own baby food, and you are in complete control and don't have to worry about the hard metals that may be in pre-processed foods.